हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम सॉल्व करेंगे 65th बिहार पीसीएस मेंस एग्जामिनेशन मैथमेटिक्स ऑप्शनल का फर्स्ट बी क्वेश्चन. इट सेज दैट लेट एफ फ्रॉम R4 to R3 बी द लीनियर मैपिंग डिफाइंड बाय एफ ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड टी is equal to x minus y plus z plus t and this term. Find the basis and dimension of image of f and kernel of map f. So f, a linear transformation defined from R4 to R3. It is given as f of x y z t is equal to x minus y plus z plus t, 2x minus 2y plus 3z plus 4t and 3x minus 3y plus 4z plus 5t. और हमें फाइंड करना है बेसिस ऑफ रेंज स्पेस. उसका मेथड क्या होता है कि हम डोमेन का बेसिस लेते हैं, देन उसकी इमेज फाइंड करते हैं और उसमें से जो लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट वेक्टर्स होते हैं वो फॉर्म करते हैं बेसिस ऑफ रेंज स्पेस. दैट मीन्स बेसिस ऑफ डोमेन दैट इज R4 वो है E1, E2, E3 एंड E4. दैट इज बेसिस ऑफ R4. इसका इमेज लेंगे, दैट इज FE1, FE2, FE3 एंड FE4. इसमें से जो लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट वेक्टर्स होंगे वो फॉर्म करेंगे बेसिस ऑफ रेंज स्पेस. So let us write image of E1, E2, E3 and E4. So FE1 is equal to f of 1, 0, 0, 0 is equal to under this function, given function. So it will come out as 1, 2 and 3. F of E2 will come out as f of E2 where E2 is 0, 1, 0, 0 is equal to, this will come out as -1, -2, -3. FE3 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 0 is equal to 1, 3 and 4. F of E4 will be, E4 is 0, 0, 0 and 1 is equal to 1, 4 and 5. Out of these four vectors, linearly independent vector will form basis of range space. So how to find linearly independent of these four vectors? That is, we apply a row reduced echelon form. We will convert these four vectors into row reduced echelon forms. Let us form the matrix containing these four vectors. So that is 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, 1, 3 and 4, 1, 4 and 5. So we convert it to row reduced echelon form. For that we apply row operation. So we want to reduce these three elements, the first element of each row from second, third and fourth to 0. For that we apply row operation on R2 as R2 plus R1, on R3 as R3 minus R1 and on R4 as R4 minus R1. So it will become 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 2. Now to reduce the fourth row to 0, we apply operation on R4 as R4 minus 2R3. So this will reduce this matrix as 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. This is row reduced echelon form, and non-zero rows of this matrix will form the linearly independent vectors out of these 4 vectors. These 2 vectors will form the basis of range space. So basis of range space is 1 2 3 comma 0 1 1. This is basis of range space. Now dimension of range space is dimension is number of vectors in the basis is equal to 0 2. That means this is the dimension and this is the basis. Now we have to find the kernel की dimension और kernel का basis find करना है. What is first of all we need to define what is kernel. Kernel is a space of those vectors which whose image is 0. That means f of if v belongs to kernel, that means f of v is equal to 0. So f of x comma y comma z comma t is equal to 0. Solution of this will form the kernel. So what is the given function? F of x comma y comma z comma t is equal to, given function is x minus y plus z plus t, x minus y plus z plus t comma 2x minus 2y plus 3z plus 4t, 2x minus 2y plus 3z plus 4t, and 3x minus 3y plus 4z plus 5t, that is 3x minus 3y plus 4z plus 5t. So we need to find the solution of this equation. That means x minus y plus z plus t comma 2x minus 2y plus 3z plus 4t comma 3x minus 3y plus 4z plus 5t is equal to 0. 0 means 0 comma 0 comma 0 in R3. So these 3 equations, x minus y plus z plus t is equal to 0, 2x minus 2y plus 3z plus 4t is equal to 0, and 3x minus 3y plus 4z plus 5t is equal to 0. This system of equation, we need to solve this system of equation, and solution will form the kernel of f. So let us convert it into the form ax is equal to 0, where a is the coefficient matrix and x is vector of unknowns. This matrix will be of the form 1 minus 1 1 1, 2 minus 2 3 and 4, 3 minus 3 4 and 5, multiplied by vector x y z comma t is equal to 0 0 0. So हमको ये सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन सोल्व करना है. इसके लिए हम गॉस एलिमिनेशन मेथड लगाएंगे. फॉर देट लेट अस कन्वर्ट दिस मैट्रिक्स इनटू अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. So for that we need to make 0 the first element of second row and first element of third row. For that let us apply row operations on R2 as R2 minus 2R1, and on R3 as R3 minus 3R1. So the matrix A will become 1 minus 1 1 1 0 0 1 2 0 0 1 and 2. So let us apply the row operation on R3 as R3 minus R2. So this matrix will become 1 minus 1 1 1 0 0 1 2, 0 0 0 0. This is upper triangular matrix, and now we can solve the system of equation. So let us write in the form of Ax is equal to 0, x, y, z and t is equal to 0 0 0. So let us write in the form of equation x minus y plus z plus t is equal to 0 and z plus 2t is equal to 0. Now we have two equations and four unknown variables. So out of these four unknown variables, two will be free variable. Two are free variable. So for free variable we can assign any value to get the other two variables. So let us choose t and y as free variable. So in the first case let us take t is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So we will get z plus 2 into 0 is equal to 0. That means z is equal to 0, and from first equation x minus t is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Let us consider x minus 1 plus 0 plus 0, that means we get x equal to 1. So our first vector is x equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 0 from here, and t is equal to 0. So this is our first vector. And now in the second case let us consider t is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. From this, so from second equation we get z plus 2t is equal to 0. That means z plus 2 into 1 is equal to 0, which implies z is equal to minus 2. And from first equation let us put y is equal to 0 and t is equal to 1, and we got z is equal to minus 2. That means x minus 0 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. That means x equal to 1. So we get the second vector as x equal to 1, y is equal to 0, z is equal to minus 2 and t is equal to 1. We get these two vectors as solution of this equation, and these two vectors are linearly independent. So this will form the basis of kernel. So basis is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 0 comma minus 2 comma 1. So this is the basis of kernel, and dimension of kernel is equal to 0 2, that is number of elements in the basis. So this is the solution of first B question, guys. Thank you very much, and you can join the Telegram join group whose link is mentioned in the description of this video. Thank you very much.